Now, Francisco! Pilipan ka! Wala pong papasok! Wala pong papasok! Okay! Wala pong papasok! Okay, papitan mo! Oh my goodness!
Madroño, number 81, Mr. Yola, number 96, Sandra Martin Reyes.
Bye! 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 Kapit mo ako mamaya.
First quarter mga kaibigan, Alejo right now will fire away. Ooh, and he will be fouled on the... Look at that one-hander. On the trip to the line for Alejo. Madroño right now with the ball. Babawi ang Marjo dun sa may baseline. That's what we call the connect. For the past couple of games for Adventures with Marjo, they get the first field goal of the ball game. Here's Gitano on the move, trying to get. On the drive here is Carrillo, one-hander, won't go it. On the drive here, sa may baseline ng Asa, intercepted. Stolen number 1, Dandy. Pero ganun yan, agaw naman ang bola. It's gonna be Cortez. Nakapatay ang atake. Gitano dun sa may kanan. In front of them was Ramos Carrillo. Here the three-pointer, Alejo. Misses that time around. Here's Ram, bigay sa kanan. Layup is good. PCU connection right there, Madroño. Getting the layup to go. Nakakari dito, Gitano and company. Passes it over. Strong drive. Look at the defense, Mabu. How about standing his ground? Good defense against Ariel. Pangilinan, on the drive, sa kaliwa, Bayamba the jumper. Too strong. Good back, Madroño gets it and out of the flex. Aljo Madroño doing what he does best. Joshua Cortez, there is first. Bonus free throw here for Aljon. Alejo sa may kaliwa. Atake. And that's gonna be double dribble. The other way, 4.8, pwede kagdaga para sa mga nakaitem. Pangilinan, service the floor, Bayamba, all alone for three. Low up. Pero, serving Dandy, and gets it to go. If you are up next, that time around, Dandy mag-go with a putback. First 2 points in the ballgame for Dandy, pero mahalaga dito, 8-2, habit ka lang. Here's the three-pointer. Oh! Puts it in, Palconete from downtown. Well, Palconete here registered the first field goal of LSU, and they got the ball here. Palconete giving it up to Joe for his first 2 points. Of course, no? Aside from yourself, you want to. Ram, thought about the three. Sa kaliwang bigay, Pangilinan. Extra pass. Madroño from the corner. Puts it in. Argo. Same spot for Palconete. Same result. Emmanuel Palconete po na pangalan ng number. With the good luck here. Joshua Cortez, active hand. Kahit nakakatawa mga nakaitim. Dandy, off the spin, fades away, hot shot. Gitano the rebound, tatakbo. LCD, bounce pass, Gitano. Masyado malakas ang tira. Another rebound for Dandy. Good, continuous defense there. Talking about LCD. Dandy is just opening the alley-oop. Rosen, the Panginoon. Put it up there. This time I'm going again. Right now, on the drive, bring it more. Mando, another board. Sanchez, Tato. Sidestep. Beautiful setup. Sanchez able to find Madonio. Here is the guy. Block right there, Madonio. Here for LC. Bigay sa kaliwa. Here's the jumper. Again, no? Update with Marjo. Going back to their play here. Aljo sa kanan, sa labas. Sanchez. Bigay kay Aljo. Okay! No. Gitara yung ball. Tapak mo. Ang LCD. Here's the real. 15 to 11. Tries to come closer here. Talking about LCD. Francisco. Wait down. How about that? Emmanuel Falconete, his first 2-point field goal of the game. Emmanuel Falconete. Ram, the three-pointer, no goal. Tries to bring down Adjusted Marjo, and a foul call here. It's 15 to 13, 2-point lead, pwede dagdagan for Adjusted Marjo. Miss a oh my goodness! What a play we're having here! Talon din. Rebounding for the offensive rebound, but an even better defensive stop coming from Falconete. What a signals we're having here. Here is Dandy making it look very easy. Always know what he has to do with that basketball. That time around able to score on the break. And he missed coming from Gitano. Tatakbo mga nakaitim. Here's Sanchez. Bigay sa halula. Dandy on the number 3. Pasadin! Dandy mag-goal from downtown. Here's with Marjo nag-iingay. We'll be back after this break. Algonete na iwanan. That time, Gitano offensive rebound. Mapping his way and sa mga nagsusuot po na access. Slip on the line for Gitano. Machocho on the drive here. Atake. No goal. Alero that time. Good defense. Here's Ariel. And the team uses the basketball. Bagyang pasil, ano? Gusto lang ka dito. Oh, manawan a team here. Right now, layup is good. Christian Sebastian there. Kapapasok lang, nagparamdam agad for LSTV. 20-16, approaching the 2-minute mark of the third quarter. Alejo thought about it. He fakes, he misses. Right now, rebounded by Adjusted Marjo. Wala nang dalawang minuto. How about this one? Just grabbing the ball. White does right now. Alam sa kapila pa rin ha. Aljon Madonio right now. 13 points in the ballgame already for Aljon. Joshua the J. No, Aljon in the board. Tatakbo LCT, he's the three-pointer. Tatakbo Alejo there with a rebound. Adjusted Marjo saying something. Line. Sanchez. Bigay sa kaliwa. Inikot sa baseline. Nice step. First the win last time. Edwin Celis. Dito sa may ilan. Gitano. Masking his way. Pinutin pa. And another. Always aggressive good ball movement for Adventures. Can't hit the three-pointer. Tatakbo, mga nakaputi. Emmanuel. He good is the basketball. Pero bola pa rin nila. Aleo, bigay sa kanan. Joshua, on the move. Pinoy step. Passes it to his teammate. Gicano, lilipad. Misses. Right now, he gets it back. Gicano. Goodness! That is all hard work for Gicano. And the ball is clear. 1 second. Joshua to play. And that's it for the first quarter. What a first quarter, ladies and gentlemen. What a first quarter we just had there. Pero first quarter pa lang po yun. Tuloy ng basketball. Right now, tapak po. Jano Boy. At ang tuloy na damas sa Francisco. First one in the board game for Stomar. Right now, aatahe at ito. Left hand. Natin na bola. Second serving for Galcondia. On the driving behind the back. At ito, he breaks. That is good. No. Pero may foul na ito. Asagdon. Right now. Francisco. Let's do it. Apadon. There's the layup. There's the first misses there. Regular from the Palo. Cortez. Nagmamadali. A pass. Double foul. That's why mag-release po tayo sa possession arrow. Right now, ay nagtraveling ball on Francisco. Got dancing with the wrong song. Now they're going to try to beat. Asador, he's three-pointer. Oh! That's Asador from downtown. That's Asador there, leading it to fifth. Davis sa deadlock, 3-point lead na for Adventures with Marjo. Josie Cortez, di pa nagpapahinga. What? Kill! Everything but the shot there. Right now, how about the hard work, the hard-earned two-pointer there? Palitan, magkabilang mo po nandito. Sa kaliwa, talk about the three. Atabang the baseline. And that's going to be the third personal foul. Here's the three. Oh! Three-pointer right here. Oh, down to Marlo. Here's the lead. And the turnover. And the turnover is Marjo. Right now, Joshua sa kanan. Rojas. Inigot sa kaliwa. Rojas ran out of the space dito sa may ilalim. So, at aking mga nakita, here's the J. Puts it in, making it look very easy. We are now at 30 apiece. Francisco setting things up sa may kanan. One hand, goes good. Marchand there with a rebound. Here is Adventures with Marjo, three-pointer. He's ball, the iron there. Francisco is running start here. One of the players na napakahirap pigilan, especially on an open court. Asador. Side step. Oh my goodness. Almost the same. Asador right now with 6 points. Francisco Needs the 3-pointer. Wala na 6 na minuto. Here's Rob. Serving the floor and he will be fouled. So one of the leaders ng TCU Dolphins, Dasmariñas, with the Adventures of Marjo, they have 2-point lead, 34-32. Tamayo sa may kanan. Right now, Bilo, back to Tamayo for 3. No, Lipping rebound. Nakatog. Nakakababay, pati yung kapakuha, pati yung ilaw, so sigurado. Nakakabay naman, Bilo, 11-4, 3-2 break. Or rather, 2-on-3 dito sa ating palayon for Ellis City. Tamayo sa may ilalim, extra pass, Gitana able to... Right now, we discarded, Bilo with the ball. Pass to shoot. Gitana. What a big and a pass! Oh my goodness, what a play! Wow! And players making big time plays. At doon gustong bumawi. Okay, Bilyo, the drive. Neves the layup. Right now, Tamayo able to control the ball. Gitana on the open court. On the drive. Kampi niya si Francisco. Side step, bigay sa kanan. But the pass a little too high. Lead now for Ellis City. They have better to margin chance to counter attack. Asatol left supply. This is the game of Borno. Offensive rebound. No good. Bago ka na defense. Alternative tatakbo. 40-34. Francisco with the basketball. Asatol in front of him. On the drive here, Francisco, the ball was good, the ball was stolen. That's a ball for the easy layup. That's Masador off the bench. He was 8 points in the serving. May kanan, Palconete, left hand, good goal. Vergara with the board. Ellis City, benefit margin now, on the attack. Here's the connection. Ram is getting all of this. Replace that. Almost but not quite there for Ram. Bilo sharing his teammates. Nakapag ang bola. Asatol muna sila. Habang wala hasil yung Asatol. Oh my goodness, what a game we are having here. Both teams showing the energy. There's a good foul. We expect that both teams will not give you any kind of inch sa isa't isa. 2 minuto sa ating second quarter. Here's the 3. Impressive rebound for Ellis City. Good ball movement for them. Three-pointer was scored. Put back to the line. In the ball game. Jump ball. Kamay kanan. Back to him. Jump ball this time. Here's three-pointer. No. And Tamayo gets the rebound. 40-36. We need to serve Ellis City. out. Avengers with Marshall. Mr. Ayola jumper on the way, misses. And Mr. Ayola, Wyatt nice so far. Early field chance to increase the lead to double digits. Palconet na wala na naman. Left hand! Emmanuel Palconet, ladies and gentlemen. What a game he has had here. Left from Aggressive Mago. Francisco Lilipad. Binabata ng goal. Another try. And he will be fouled this time. A dozen lead now for LSCD. Madonna is the player. Who's home? Set down for LSCD and company. Emmanuel Palconete, the man of the hour, he has 12 points. Emmanuel, service the floor to the Ariel. Here's Yeye, back to Palconete, close to River. 2 seconds remaining. They have to shoot this. First up, 48-36 score. Lamang ng labing dalawa dito. Ang LSCD will be back for the second half. So, mahaba pa naman ang ating ilalaro dito. Avengers with Marcus Shirley. Gonna try to overcome this deficit. Sanchez, bigay sa kaliwa. Here's the 3 on the way of the iron. Defensive rebound sa mailalang na iwanan. Pinitin pa, but no good on the shot. Everything but the shot there for Avengers with Marshall. That's everyone needs that unit. Cortez on the drive here. Sa kaliwa, sa bigay, Ariel. Dumarapon the trigger. Right now. Here's Joshua from 17. That's the goal. Joshua is leading the... Only 5 assists as well. And Bandit energy. And the ball goes back to it. Right now. Joshua feeling it now. This is the trigger. Masar the rebound. Tatakbo. Tongo with marginal. Sa kaliwa. Ebon. Extra pass. Going out. 14 ang hinahabol ng Avengers with Marshall. Here's the captain feed. Paksalir. Badly heated bucket there for Avengers with Marshall. More importantly to stop the bleeding for Avengers with Marshall. Alejo serving the floor. Sa ilalim ang bigay. And dito manag. Pressure defense being applied by LSCD. So talagang gusto nila pag-uwi ng Avengers with Marshall. Dandy, thought about it. Tosses it over. Leads the pass to Gary. Both players don't want to give any kind of opening here. How about that? Oh my goodness. If you don't like this, you don't like NNW basketball. Grand finals, ladies and gentlemen, at its finest. Gitano sa may kaliwa. Right now, Joshua, thought about it. Pinilitid lang ang bola, thought about LSCD. Here's Alejo. Pili na. Oh! Again, Gitano fighting for the ball. Pero, Avengers with Marshall getting the ball back. 50-39 pagkakaroon, bawasan ang abate. May chance sa kaliwa, another play on the way. Oh! That's the second three-pointer of Benton Barjo knocking on the heaven's door. Joshua Cortez serving his teammates. To Ariel, Gitano, they wanna take the shot there. Now he's down. Oh! Ariel. Another try. He gets that time for Mendoza, but no goal. Foul called on the floor. seconds here. At Davis with Marjo. Wala na chance to work this. Marta, hindi sa kaliwa. Ooh! Missed. Right now, Davis tayo mga kapatid. Chances na ng Euro. Wow! Jomar Francisco with the side step. And yun na lang. Di ba kayo foul? Yung tatlo. Here's Dandy. He makes. With water was still there. Dandy with a 3-pointer. He has 10 points over the lead. Brings down to 10. Joshua. Zigzagging his way. Gustavo. Hard the ladder for the win. Here's Arnel. Way up the goal. Hey, this is that time. Ebo, tapa mo na rin. Kamay tayo. Dandy, layup, no, but a foul. It is also bas. Split from the line that time and another double foul forward. That's the second time it happened here in the ball game. Parehas sa number 16. Right now, layup no good. Agaw naman doon, look at those players. Single such as that time. Giving George Ortiz his own things of his medicine. There is Dandy. Pasa naman napakaganda. Dandy mag-go from the other baseline. Able to find the ball na pwede layup. Dito happy, man up. Box one, look. Ang defensa dito na Lakers. Jomar, he loses the basketball. Hardon, with the running start. Bebelo dito. Pasa sa ilalim na. Iwanan na. Double miss. How many times we saw that in the ball game? The lead, slowly being trailed down here. Pero nag-aabot tayo sila ng apat. Here's the play! Another 3-point Tambayo! Eric Sige with the start. With 7-point lead, Paltunete sa kanan ng lugar. Ikiapano, lilipad! Missed the play-up! Uji ba sa lugar ng 10 shooters? Here's Batonio! All the way, misses! He doesn't stop! He goes! No foul! What a game here, 5-point lead. Largest was 12. Joshua crosses it over sa may kaliwa. Jomar Francisco, tama lang na ginagawa dito. Aljo, Tarabelo, layup, no good. Magdong, putang slave. Here's the three. No go. Hindi ka pwede magkama pag wala na. Three minutes and 5 remaining here in the third. The lead as big as 12, now down to just 5. At Denver with Marjo fighting back here. Jomar, he loses his footing. That's going to be a pass with Marjo basketball. What a defense there by Edwards. So a chance again for the guys in black to come closer. Here's Matronio, ang dami ng ginagawa dito. Bigay kay Bayamba. Sa kanan, Marchand don't wanna take the shot. He's the burner. Puts it in. Oh my goodness. Under Marchand in downtown. Chicago, he was the right Palpas na Abuelo yan, siguradong Philip na angka. Marchand! This is the final for Habit. He did the work. I believe that's Dennis and Marchand. Right now, 1-point ball game. Tayo dito, Francisco Villamor, shot lang is 8. Francisco going left off the speed. Atake, look at noon. Tapi ko ng bola, sino makuha? It's gonna be a focus on number 2. Pangilinan, dito sa kanan. Madronya na kawana! No! Pangilinan ang napalo! The lead back up! Oh my goodness! What a game we are having here! This is the kind of game that you don't want to miss. 8 on the shot clock. Falconete will be fouled. That's going to be blocking. Ano lang pala. At dito kasama yung team foul, individual foul sa team foul. Gitano! And then Gitano pulling on the foul. Ang hina, makakalahin, magpuntas, yes, please! Now, Francisco, pilihan ka! Hey! Wala pong papasok! Wala pong papasok! Okay! Wala pong papasok! Dennis, lapitan mo na, Dennis! Lapitan mo na, Dennis! Oh my goodness! What? Has to be prepared here.